Alright, so guys, I just received notification that there was a two vehicle collision at Havemeyer Avenue that is close to the road test here in the Bronx. So I am heading there right now. Just passed by real quick to see if it was a driving school car, one of the students or permit holders.
Turn right onto Ellis Avenue.
Ellis Avenue, let's see. Turn right on Ellis Avenue. Okay. Oh man, I hope it wasn't a driving school car or anything like that. But
turn right onto Havemeyer Avenue.
Alright, so it is. Oh, I'm so close. I'm like seconds away from it right now. Let's see what's going on. Okay, it says turn right on Havemeyer Avenue, which is this next stop sign right here is
Next
Havemeyer.
right onto Havemeyer Avenue. Then your destination will be on the right.
Let me see if it was a driving school vehicle. That would be horrible if it is. Let's see. Oh my goodness, it was a FedEx truck in a vehicle.
Your destination is on the right.
What the heck? FedEx vehicle. How the heck did that happen? Okay, there's an ambulance there. How the heck did this happen? It's just a regular vehicle. Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm gonna turn around. Wow. Alright, so let's go back to that place. Alright, we got the red light. We are going to pass by where the crash happened. New York State does not like to call it accident. Some people still call it accident. The news media likes to call it accident, but you know, it's a crash because it could have been prevented. So all right, so we got a red light. Who's blowing the horn? Not for me. All right, we got a green light. Let's go, guys. Let's check this out. This is horrible. I'm up to the side over here. Go. All right. Damn. I'm gonna pull over. You know what? I'm gonna pull over. Alright, they started moving right here, guys. Vehicle got smashed on the side. There's the ambulance. Alright. I don't know if they took a person on the ambulance. That vehicle right there on the center of your screen got smashed right on the side. Alright, so as you can see, the guys, the police did arrive. Now they gotta do a full police report. No gooda. No gooda.